Hello friends, welcome to the Stanley Way. In today's video, we're going to check out these budget-friendly LED driving lights from PartsAm. Each light comes with its own hardware packet, with mount bolts and nuts, Allen wrench, and crimp wire connectors. Shown here is just one hardware packet. Each light has 6 LEDs in it and puts out about 350 lumens. The housing is made from aluminum with cooling fins to maximize heat dissipation. The sealed beam design ensures the light will work in even the most extreme weather. The design of the all-metal brackets and the way they're installed allow for 180 degrees of adjustment. Installation is pretty simple. Put the bolt through the bracket, and we were able to use an existing hole in the bumper. Put on your flat washer, and then your lock washer, and then the nut. Whoop, hang on to it, and tighten down the nut. Mounting the light to the bracket may be a little more difficult, but as you see, I inserted the nut into the recess in the light, so allow the light to hold the nut for you, and then just insert the bolt with the Allen wrench and turn the Allen wrench to tighten the bolt in the nut. And what you see here is everything that's included in the PartsAm kit. 2 sets of wires cut perfectly, ready to crimp the new connectors onto it and attach to your wiring harness. Now what you will need is a separate wiring harness, and I use this one here. I'll put the link in the description from Amazon. And we'll take one final look with everything tightened up and installed and all the wires hidden from the separate wiring harness. But don't go anywhere. We're going to take these things out when the sun goes down and see how it is at night. And here we are, a nice dark Alabama dirt road with the headlights only. And we'll flip on the driving lights and show you how much more light they put out than the headlights. Headlights only again. And with the driving lights, makes a huge difference. Now let's see how they look from the outside. Headlights only. And driving lights with headlights. Notice how much more light the LEDs put out than the headlights. And now, driving lights only with no headlights. If you would like to order these, check the description. Always check for promo codes. And once again, thanks for watching the video. Thank you for your support, your likes, and subscribes. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time.